My hair feels hydrated and I love how soft and shiny my hair looks right now. Hey everyone, it's me Christianne, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you all my review for the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source line. It's this really amazing line from Matrix, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you all my thoughts on it. But before we get into the video, please subscribe down below. Now let's get started. Biolage Ultra Hydra Source is targeted for people with very dry, thick, or coarse hair. It helps balance moisture for healthy looking hair and is suitable for colored or natural hair. And the hair is actually 15 times more moisturized after one application. I recently dyed my hair black again, so I needed all the hydration I need to restore its softness and shine. Let's get into it. Up first, we have the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source shampoo. This shampoo gently cleanses the hair and leaves the hair extremely moisturized. Next is the Ultra Hydra Source conditioner. This conditioner balances moisture and provides ultra hydration. It smooths very dry hair and creates softness, shine, and manageability while controlling and smoothing out volume. And for the ultimate hydration, this is the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source Deep Treatment Pack. This is excellent for taming frizz, split ends, and flyaways for an overall sleek finish. The hair will instantly become smoother with less breakage in just 5 minutes. Time for styling. Here I am using the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source leave-in cream. This works to hydrate, soften, and repair my hair. The entire line provides 72 hours of moisture and frizz control, so I'm super excited about that. And this is the final look. My hair feels hydrated and I love how soft and shiny my hair looks right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. To check out these products, definitely get them on Hair.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find me at Christianne Gormley, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!